by caring for the children that have been left behind. That's how you honor them. That's how you never forget. We're caring for a population of children that nobody in our country is really thinking about. Part of our mission is to educate our country that these children, these families exist, and really, they should be number one on our list of giving.
In honor of Memorial Day, 4 Patriots and a Soldier's Child Foundation teamed up to support the children of fallen active duty military. Now, these kids need to know that America is behind them. That's why this Memorial Day, we'll triple the impact of your survival food purchase, because we'll triple our usual donation to this incredible organization. Now, you can feel good knowing that you're supporting military families while getting the peace of mind that comes from having a survival food stockpile. With your help, we're proud to support a Soldier's Child Foundation this Memorial Day. And we're proud to champion your freedom and self-reliance. We are 4 Patriots. Please join us in making a difference.